Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this wig that I've been wearing a lot lately, and to make sure that I do got its names and specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm gonna read it to you from its packaging. So I'm wearing the Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig. The style name is MLF198 Allison. That's MLF198 Allison. The color I'm wearing is 1B. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe, and she's made with 5 inches of handmade Swiss lace. I want to start with that first. This is the parting space that is on the wig. What I'm loving best about this wig right here is, truth be told, I did not have to do any, and keyword, any manipulation to get the width or to get the length of this parting space that you are seeing. The width and length is exactly what you are going to get. The only minor little manipulation I did do was add in on some face powder just to brighten the part up to make it appear more visible. Aside from that, what you're seeing is exactly what you're going to get. The hair is made of premium synthetic fiber. However, it has a very light yaki feel to it. It comes with standard cap size construction. It has adjustable straps in the back. It has a comb in the nape of the neck. And what I'm loving is how flat it lays on top, you know, on top of your head here when you put it on. It doesn't have that little boof up there like some wigs tend to do. So I at least want to show you the front, the back, and the side. Here's what she's looking like from the front. I am loving Miss Allison. The side. Back. The side. And the front. And this here is Allison, and she's absolutely fabulous. It's minimal effort to keep this wig, okay? She's a quick throw on, go out the door, and I'm loving her. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.